Stop ruining your mornings with bad hair days. You need to see this. I've been using this sleek hair dryer every single morning. It dries my hair so fast without making it frizzy. Look at this. It comes with three amazing attachments for literally any hairstyle. The matte black finish feels super premium, and the airflow is just insane. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Tap the link below to get yours now.
Wait, are you still waking up with a stuffy nose? You need to see this. This is the Govee Life Smart Air Purifier. I just put it right by my bed. It connects to my phone so I can check the air quality and set a sleep schedule. I love sleeping with this air purifier running because it helps my bedroom feel fresh every night. It operates so quietly. Finally, perfect sleep. Get yours from the shop below.
These AI-generated videos look so realistic that most people can't even tell they're created by artificial intelligence. This tutorial could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on video production. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete process of creating AI UGC videos from start to finish. Let's get started. The very first thing we need is a product. Since UGC videos are all about demonstrating real products, we first need to decide what we want to promote. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. In the search bar, type hairdryer. You'll now see hundreds of different hair dryers from various brands. It doesn't really matter which one you choose for this tutorial. Simply pick one that you like. Try selecting a product that has high-quality images because those usually produce better AI-generated videos. Once you've opened the product page, download one of the main product images onto your computer. We'll use this image as the reference for generating our AI UGC video. Now that we have our product ready, it's time to create our AI video. Open UGC Video AI in your browser. Once the website loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the three horizontal lines. A menu will open. Scroll all the way down until you find the Login option. Click on it. Now you have two options. You can either continue with your Google account or sign in using your email address and password. I'll simply click Continue with Google because it's much faster. Select your Google account. Within a few seconds, you'll be logged in to your dashboard. Now scroll down slightly. Click on UGC Add Video. This is the feature we'll be using today. Once the editor opens, you'll notice several settings on the left side of the screen. The first option is Product Reference Image. This tells the AI exactly which product should appear in the generated video. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. Browse to the hairdryer image that you downloaded from Amazon. Select the image, wait a few seconds while it uploads. After the upload is complete, click Save. That's it, our product has now been added successfully. The next step is choosing an AI influencer. This is one of my favorite parts because the platform offers a huge collection of realistic AI creators. Click Select from Library. You'll immediately see dozens of AI influencers. There are different ages, different ethnicities, different hairstyles, different clothing styles, different personalities. Choose the influencer that best matches your product. Since we're promoting a hairdryer, I'll choose a young female influencer because it fits the product naturally. Once you've selected your influencer, scroll down. Now comes the most important part of the entire process, the prompt. Your prompt tells the AI exactly what you want the influencer to do. The better your prompt, the better your final video will look. If you're not sure how to write a professional prompt, don't worry, I'll show you an easy method. Open ChatGPT in a new browser tab. Now type this prompt. I am generating an AI UGC video featuring a female influencer and a hairdryer. I want the prompt to make the influencer hold the hairdryer while drying her hair. Press Enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt. Read through it once. If you're happy with the result, copy the entire prompt. Now return to UGC Video AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. This prompt gives the AI clear instructions about how the influencer should hold the product, how she should use it naturally, her facial expressions, camera angles, and overall presentation. Good prompts almost always produce much better results. Now let's add a voice. If you've previously created your own AI voice, you can click Create My Sound. Otherwise, click Add Voice. The platform provides many realistic AI voices. Let's customize the settings. Choose English as the language, select female for the gender, choose young for the age, then select cheerful for the speaking style. Now preview a few different voices. Take your time here. The voice can make a huge difference in how professional your final video feels. Listen carefully to each preview. Once you find one that sounds natural and engaging, select it. Now let's configure the video settings. You'll see different aspect ratio options. 9:16 is ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 16:9 is perfect for standard YouTube videos and presentations. 1:1 works well for social media feeds. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 9:16. Next, choose the number of videos you want to generate. The platform allows you to create multiple variations at once. You can select one video or generate 4 different versions simultaneously. Generating 4 versions gives you more options, but it also uses more credits. For this tutorial, I'll keep it simple and choose one video. Now click Generate. The AI will begin creating your AI UGC video. Depending on the complexity of the project and server traffic, generation may take a few minutes. While we wait, let me explain why AI UGC videos have become so popular. Traditional UGC videos require finding influencers, negotiating prices, shipping products, waiting for recordings, requesting revisions, and sometimes paying hundreds of dollars for just one short video. With AI, the entire process becomes dramatically faster. You can create videos whenever you want. You don't need expensive equipment, you don't need to hire actors, you don't need to wait days for delivery. Everything happens inside your browser. This is why more affiliate marketers, Shopify store owners, Amazon sellers, agencies, and content creators are starting to use AI-powered UGC tools. Now, if you'd like to try this AI tool yourself, I've included the link in the video description below. If you decide to purchase a subscription using that link, we'll receive a small affiliate commission at no additional cost to you. That small commission helps support this channel and allows us to continue creating free tutorials like this every week. Your support is truly appreciated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more people. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss our latest AI tutorials, automation guides, content creation tips, and online business strategies. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I read as many comments as possible and will do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep using AI to work smarter, not harder.